to honor the man for whom it is named. Dr. Mellinkoff's 24 years of leadership as dean coincided with the growth and development of UCLA as a major institution of medical education and research. The award honors the ideal of the finest in doctor-patient relationships and medical education. Because of the high esteem in which Dr. Mellinkoff is held by all who know him, this award is considered by the faculty to be the highest honor of the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA. The Sherman M. Mellinkoff Award for 2008 is bestowed upon Dr. Susan Perlman.
Woo! Yeah!
Dr. Perlman received a Bachelor of Science degree in biochemistry from Cornell University in Ithaca, New York in 1971. She attended medical school at the State University of New York at Stony Brook, graduating with an MD degree in 1975. Following graduation, she continued her training here at UCLA, first as an intern for 1 year in the Department of Medicine, then as a resident in neurology, and finally a fellowship in the Department of Neurology. She joined the faculty in the UCLA School of Medicine as an assistant professor in the Department of Neurology in 1980, and in the Department of Anesthesiology in 1982. She climbed the academic ladder and has been a clinical professor in the Department of Neurology since 2003. Dr. Perlman is the director of the Huntington's Disease Center of Excellence at UCLA, as well as an active member of the neurogenetics program. She runs the largest ataxia clinic in the United States and one of the largest Huntington's disease clinics in the country. These are chronic, progressive neurodegenerative disorders for which no cures or effective treatments exist. Her patients are typically very complex, very debilitated, or underinsured due to disability, and requiring chronic follow-up for illnesses that unfortunately often ultimately lead to their death. Thus, only physicians with the utmost skill and compassion can provide a service to these desperate patients and their families. As a leader in her field, Dr. Perlman participates in numerous research endeavors that require her to travel across the country looking for the latest treatments to offer her patients. Her patients enthusiastically participate in clinical trials as they are inspired and motivated by her to help one another through research. As a teacher, she leads by example, emphasizing the importance of listening and understanding the patient. She will ask questions of her students and residents, but in a professional way that engages them as members of her team. As one of her students said, Dr. Perlman shows me that it is okay to be a physician who cares and loves. She gives me hope that other physicians will see her example and learn this for themselves. In addition to her patient care, research, and teaching activities, Dr. Perlman is a member of the Medical Advisory Board, Late Onset Tay-Sachs Foundation, of the Medical and Research Advisory Board of the National Ataxia Foundation, of the Genetically Handicapped Persons Program Advisory Committee of the Department of Health Services, State of California, and medical advisor for the Huntington's Disease Foundation of America, the Greater Los Angeles chapter. Dr. Perlman personifies what a skilled and compassionate neurologist should strive to be. Her patients and their families simply adore her, a testament of the impact that a caring physician can still have in modern medicine, even when medicines fail. As a true practitioner of the art of medicine, Dr. Perlman embodies the spirit of the Mellinkoff Award. Will Dr. Perlman please come to the lectern?
Woohoo! Ma! Yeah, grab the picture. Go for the picture. What are you doing? She's getting awards. Take pictures.
The certificate that you have just received reads,
So zoom out a
"To
little.
all to whom these presents shall come greeting, be it known that upon nomination by the faculty of the School of Medicine, the Sherman M. Mellinkoff Faculty Award is conferred upon Susan Perlman, MD, whose teaching exemplifies her dedication to the art of medicine and to the finest in doctor-patient relationships." Congratulations.
Woo! Take pictures, Joe. She was way too bashful, huh?
I would like to call attention to our marshals who led the procession today. They were nominated and elected for this honor by the